This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. I'm going to show you like some of my audience has asked that how to do this turmeric mask. Now this turmeric mask is really awesome, really excellent for the skin, and that is actually work as any soap a substitute. You don't need to use any soap or anything, but be sure to ask your doctor. Make sure you don't have any kind of allergies to any of these products. Now what are these products here? This is sour yogurt, and this is chickpea flour, and this is turmeric. Now some people have asked that they get a yellow tan from the turmeric, yellow tan. So suppose you got yellow tan, so you will be using just a little pinch. Now if you want more yellowish, then you add more. So you add little bit of turmeric, little bit of chickpea flour, and then mix it like this, and that's what you apply onto your skin like this, and you would be leaving it for 30 minutes to an hour. You can add it, you can apply this to your face, to your neck, and to your hands, and leave it like this for 30 minutes to an hour, and then you wash it off like 30 minutes, 1 hour later, and this gives a beautiful skin. Now I don't mind having a yellow tan skin, and it's really nice for me because this not only prevents any kind of skin disorder, it also prevents any kind of bug bite or anything, any kind of spots or marks or anything. So I've been using it for all my life. So now the question was, the person said that she probably is not doing right, so she's getting tan. So what you need to do is just use very little of turmeric, not too much turmeric, just like this, a pinch of turmeric and not a lot. And just first you make sure you don't have allergy to any of these products. Secondly, you ask your doctor. This channel is for just for giving you advice, just for giving you the knowledge, but you need to ask your own doctor's permission and do your own research. So this is just to share the information, and I've been using this all my life. I don't use any soap or anything, and this really works great. So yeah, you can make this turmeric mask and use it. And I'm going to share with you another mask which really gives an awesome skin. And while sharing that mask, I will share a story too, that how did I come to know about this mask. This mask also I came to know this one also from weddings, and like most of the young girls at the wedding, they will have like the most amazingly beautiful skin without any makeup or anything, flawless skin. And that's why I got very curious, and I wanted to know that what would give flawless skin so you don't need makeup, and what would give flawless skin so that you wouldn't have any kinds of pimples or spots and anything, any kind of skin disease. And also I was very curious to know that what can you put on the skin so that you go outside and bugs won't bite you. So I came across this turmeric, and which is a lifesaver, and I've been using it for all my life. So I'm just sharing the information, but rest of the part is yours to make sure you don't have any allergies, and make sure that you have your doctor's permission before you do so. I'm just providing you the information, but with my experience, this is really awesome. I never used any soap. I mean, for hand washing I have used soap, especially lately more with all these new things, but for face and neck and skin I don't use soap. I just use this one. Face I never have used soap for a long time, never used soap. And so also if you have pimples or something, this totally clears up your pimple. Like if you have problems with pimples, and if you use turmeric, turmeric is antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-parasitic, anti everything. anti-human. But that is just, if you use turmeric and then you use it for 30 minutes to an hour, then you wash it off and you go outside, you're working in the garden, the bugs really don't bite you because they don't want your skin. Their skin with the turmeric, they don't like it because this turmeric is, as I told you, anti everything. So this is really good, use it. And I'm going to give you another one in my next video, and that one for the brides. Like if someone is going to get married and if you're going to use that recipe, this one is also awesome too, but that one is the best. You're going to use that recipe and you have to use like 3 months to 6 months ahead before marriage, and then you'll see your skin will be so beautiful that you will get compliments from everyone in the world, and you don't need to use any makeup or anything. The skin will be beautiful just automatically. So this one is awesome too. I'm going to give you the recipe for that one, and I'm going to give you a recipe for one oil, so I'll have to make that oil and give you the recipe. And that oil is for nighttime, and that oil really going to keep your skin really good. But make sure that you don't have any pimples, because if you put oil and you have pimples, your pimples going to increase. So yeah, so thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and do make sure that you don't have any allergies to any of these ingredients. One of them is turmeric, second one is chickpea flour, and third one is just our same old yogurt, which is sour yogurt. Don't use the sweetened one. Don't use sugar. Sugar is the worst thing for the mankind which is ever made. And if you're going to use any kind of sweetener, I would say just use brown sugar, jaggery brown sugar, and that one is the best. Because if you're going to use any kind of sugar, or pure honey is good for your skin, good for your inside. Anything is good for your inside is good for your skin. If it's not good for you, if you can't eat it, you don't put it on your skin, because it's not good for you. Your skin is another big organ, and anything you put on it goes to your system. Any kind of cosmetics, think about it. If you can put on top of your skin the birth control patches, and it goes inside your system and gives you the benefit of birth control, that means anything you put on top of your skin is going to your body. So why would you put something so poisonous, which said don't eat it, don't drink it, or you'll die? So you don't put those things on your skin because they're going inside anyway. So this is really great, and I'm going to give you a couple of more recipes soon. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe